Hello to all Flowlu users. Integration with messengers are the most important part of omnichannel communication with customers in all modern CRM. At Flowlu, we have everything to help you communicate with customers smoothly. This time, we are going to show you how to set up, install and use Telegram integration with Flowlu to receive Telegram messages from clients in Flowlu and reply to them as well.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Telegram bot to Flowlu to receive messages from your clients directly in Flowlu, and you can do it simply with the interactions module. So we're here. First you need to install it from the apps module, but I have it already installed, so we just head to the module. See, here there is no Telegram connection yet, but we can connect it by clicking the connect button. We choose Telegram. And we have several fields here: bot token, manager's queue, and pipeline. First, we need to receive the bot token. How to do that? Head to your Telegram profile. Find the bot father channel. It's official. Just check that it's official and everything will be okay. Click start. To create a new bot, just click the new bot command, and you need to create the name for this bot. Let's call it Flowlu test. Then we need to choose a username for the bot. It must end in bot. Here is an example. For example, Flowlu test bot. Done. The bot is created. Here is a token. Here is a token. You can click on it and it will be copied, and the link to your bot. So here is your bot. Then we go to the interactions module. Put the token. You can also assign manager's queue here, for example, Anne, Eugene, and Felix. What does it mean? This queue of managers will be automatically assigned to new chat. So the first will be Anne Watson, the next is Eugene, and the third is Felix. And after Felix, Anne will be assigned once again. What's about pipeline? It's your sales pipelines from the CRM module. So you can decide to which pipeline all new conversations will be linked. There is also additional settings like welcome text, automatic replies for every new user's contact, or it can be disabled at all, and automatic reply message. You can edit it as wish. And we click save. So the bot is created, the connection is created, and as you can see, it's active now. You still can edit some fields and message settings. Now we go to our bot. Click start. And we receive our automatic replies from the interactions model, which you can find and add it there. And we can just text like, hello. We're like a customer here. And we can find it here. So you can see the first comment was start. Here is our automatic replies. Here is our hello message from Telegram. We had been acting as a client and now we are managers. So what can I do for you? And your client receives your message in Telegram. So that's simply how it works. It's done. The connection is stable. All you need is to send this bot to your clients, and you can easily interact them with this bot and receive messages in Flowlu.
Don't forget to check links to our system and knowledge base down below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch every new video, guides and tips.